If your thermostat screen has gone completely blank, no lights, no response, there are a few common reasons this can happen. Let's go through them one by one. 1. Float switch triggered. Many HVAC systems have float switches designed to protect against water damage. If your drain pan is full of water or your condensate line is clogged, the float switch will cut power to the thermostat. This is actually a safety feature to prevent leaks from damaging your home. 2. High voltage power issue. Your system could have lost power due to a tripped breaker, a blown fuse, or a bad disconnect. Sometimes this happens after a power outage. If you're comfortable, you can try resetting the breaker once. But if it trips again, stop there. That means there's an underlying problem that needs a pro. 3. Low voltage power issue. Low voltage wiring runs between your thermostat and HVAC system. If a wire gets damaged, shorted, or if the transformer fails, your thermostat will go blank. These issues usually require a professional since working with low voltage wiring can cause more harm if not handled correctly. 4. Dead batteries. Some thermostats rely on batteries. If they've died, simply replace them and your thermostat should power back on. But if your thermostat normally runs on hardwired power and only uses batteries as backup, adding batteries won't fix the main issue. Also, if the battery compartment is corroded, the thermostat may already be damaged. 5. Thermostat or component failure. Sometimes the thermostat itself fails or another HVAC component stops working, like a transformer or a heating element. When this happens, the thermostat won't get power at all. In these cases, you'll need a professional repair or replacement. So those are the 5 main reasons why a thermostat goes blank: float switch shutoff, high voltage issue, low voltage issue, dead batteries, or a failed thermostat component. If it's something simple like batteries or a tripped breaker, you may be able to fix it yourself. But for anything beyond that, it's best to call in a pro to avoid bigger problems.